Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Chaudhary Computers and Commercial College. Today I will talk about basic Active Directory interview questions and answers. First of all, I will talk about what is Active Directory. So, the answer is Active Directory is database which stores network user data, computer information, printers as well as the other network objects. Add allows to make policies to manage all the network objects. Now I will talk about what is add domain. Add domain. Add domains are logical groups of network objects, that is users, PCs or devices, and share the same add database. Add domain provide authorization and authentication for all network objects, and the server which respond for these requests is called domain controller, means DC. Now I will talk about what is KCC. KCC is acknowledged consistency checker. The KCC is Microsoft Windows built-in process and component that runs on all domains controllers and generates replication topology for the ad forest. The KCC creates separate replication topologies depending on whether replication is occurring with a site or between sites. You can disable KCC's automatic generation of intrasite and intersite topology. Now I will talk about what are the basic components of add. These are very confusions. The answer is the add components helps administrators in executing various tasks, that is authorizing the users, certifying the users, network management, etc. So basic category of components are, first of all I will talk about first component is logical structure. There comes trees, there comes forest, there comes domains and OU. Now I will talk about physical structures. What are physical structures? Domain controller and sites are the components. Now what is OU? So answer is, it's a smallest unit and container to which an administrator can assign group policy or account permission to them. This can hold users, groups and computers. Now I will talk about what is policy in groups. What is group policy? So add group policy allows to implement or push configuration on users, computers and objects. GP settings contained in GPOs which are linked to add containers, that is sites, domains or OU. So now I will talk about what is sysvol folder. Sysvol refers to system volume folder. Sysvol is group of files and folders that stores on the each domain controller in the domain network, keeps the server. So now I will talk about FSMO rule. What is this FSMO? FSMO refers to flexible single master operation roles. Active Directory has 5 special roles which are important for the smooth running of AT as a multi-master system. Like forest-wide roles, it comes schema master and domain naming. If I talk about domain-wide roles, it comes relative ID. It means RID master. And now I will talk about master PDC emulator, infrastructure master. If I talk about global catalog, what is global catalog? In the network, a domain controller which keeps copy of all add objects are called global catalogs. Is it? So these were some questions and answers for you. Thank you so much guys. Be happy. Thank you.